everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss description model attribute in Odoo 16. This attribute provide an informal human readable name for the model. It also helps the users and the developers to understand the content and the purpose of the model clearly, and it is not used for any functional purpose. Let's see how this will works in Odoo. So for that, go to PyCharm. Here I have already created a module travels management and defined a class travels management, and the model name is travels.management. Now go to front end, and I have already installed the module, and go to settings, and under settings technical tab we can see the models. Yeah, here it is, and search our model travels.management. Yeah, here we can see the model description is travels.management, which is same as model's name. Now go back to PyCharm and uncomment this code. Here we have set the description attribute as travels management. Now run, go back to Odoo and upgrade the module. Again search our model travels.management. Here we can see the model description has changed to travels management. So this is how the description attribute in Odoo works. Thank you.